Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to make a QR code on your spreadsheet easily, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make a QR code on your spreadsheet. So to do that, open your spreadsheet app or go to the spreadsheet website. To go to the website, just write here docs.google.com/spreadsheet, or you can just write here sheet and enter. From here, just tap on this first website link. After that, make sure you are logged in. Now tap on this plus icon to make a new spreadsheet, like blank spreadsheet. Now for this tutorial, I'm just making a little bigger this to better understand. Now write down here your information. So for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to write here just google.com. Now you want to make a QR code here, right? So to make the QR code, you need a prompt. So to get that, just tap this plus icon to open a new window, or you can open any browser from your phone. Just write here the Google Sheet QR code formula. So I'm just writing. Then hit enter. Then you just have to click here this show more. Now scroll down and you can see there is a prompt. Just copy this. Make sure you copy with this double bracket. Now get back to the spreadsheet and just make sure you select this one. And after that, just here, this function, paste that prompt. That's it. You already made a QR code for this google.com. So this is how you can easily make QR code on the Google Sheet. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.